Hello, welcome back to Red Thread Art and another one of our craft basics. Today we're going to look at how to make a plait with 4 strands. You will have to take your 4 strands, put them as neatly as you can, take them down or use a pin to secure them or knot them and secure them, but you need a little bit of tension just to make it easier. You then take your right strand and put it over the one next to it. Bring these two together and take your left over the middle. Now again, take your right one, bring it into the center, and again take these two, together and put your left over both of them. So basically you're working on a single strand when you're coming from the right, so single, and you're working on a double strand when you're coming from the left. And that is how easy it is to do a plait with 4 strands. So I'm just going to speed that up so you can see it all finished, and then that will be the end. So there you go, a plait with 4 strands. Doesn't that look pretty? Now remember, this is one of our craft basics series, just showing you some basic skills for other projects. If you then want to wear it as a bracelet, all I did was knot it off. I know it's not the neatest way to finish off a bracelet, but to be honest, it's the quickest and the easiest. So you just knot it each single one off, and there you go. Isn't that pretty? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course we'd love to see you again soon. Take care, bye.